Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This video about Amazon abbreviation is very important. You must be familiar with all Amazon business acronyms and abbreviations in order to be a successful freelancer and virtual assistant selling your services on Fiverr, Guru, Upwork, and many other platforms. Your client is free to ask about any abbreviation, any terms such as PPC, FBA, FBM, MCF, etc. Keeping this in mind, Training and Training presents and created a video series titled From A to Z Amazon Abbreviations that will help you to understand all the jargons, abbreviations, acronyms, and technical vocabulary used in the world's largest marketplace, Amazon. Amazon has no doubt the largest market participant when it comes to e-commerce. And even if you work with Amazon as a vendor or seller interacting with other users on Facebook or even use Google, you may have noticed that the online retailer has its own language. So Amazon has its own language. Therefore, we create and compile some of the phrases and acronyms that are most frequently and commonly used. We have arranged everything in videos alphabetically. Hopefully, these Amazon terminology videos will helpful and should make things a little bit simpler and easier for you, especially if you are new to selling or in Amazon world. So let's start it.